Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's me again, and I have another Dollar Tree haul coming up for you. I went this morning to pick up about 3 things for a project that I'm working on, and I spent about $95. I know, my husband's going to kill me. He is going to kill me. But let me show you what I got. First thing is this really cute square wreath that I'm not going to use as a wreath. I'm going to use it for something else. And since I have lost my ruler, I decided I would buy a 3-pack, and surely to God, I won't lose all 3 of them. Now this is one of the items I went to get. I've got 2 11 by 14 picture frames that I was going to use for a project. And I got this cute 5 by 7. I found these cute little bags, and I'm not going to use them as bags, of course. I think with the designs that they would look really good in a picture frame. So we're going to see what we can do with these. Okay, I got me some sponges because I needed them here at home. And also, I got me some magic erasers to use. I didn't even know that Dollar Tree carried the magic erasers, or a knockoff of the magic erasers. And of course, I got me some more hair ties. I got these 2 black wire baskets. This one looks like it's a trash can, and this one looks like it's just something you would set on your desk to store stuff in. I got some really cute gift bags. I hope y'all can see these. I'm actually doing this video in my office slash craft room slash guest room today. This one that says Hello Gorgeous and Made to Shine. And I also picked up some matting, and these were $1 each. You know, you go somewhere else and get these, and they're just more than what I can afford. And I got a little round mirror for a project I have in mind. I bought lots of ping pong balls for another project I have planned. That is one of the items I was going for. And I found some cosmetic wedges that I'm going to use when I'm painting. I have an idea for these shower curtain rods, or these shower curtain hooks. And I got some of the little, they're like command strips or command hooks. Didn't know Dollar Tree had these either. And don't know if y'all know this about me. I can't remember if I've mentioned it before, but I love little notebooks. I have them everywhere. And they had these two in the new section. So I guess the back to school section. And I loved them. I got some more of the shower curtain holders. And I got me some burlap ribbon. And I found this pouring medium, and I'm going to give it a try and see what it does. These were so cute. I've gotten 2 of them, and they are just the little plastic totes. I have some ideas for these. Oh, this bag's sort of heavy. I don't know what all's in here. I got some mini pom-poms. I got some Ajax to use here at the house. And I just ran out of my mouthwash this morning, so picked that up. This is another item I actually was going to get. I got me some spackling. And now this is pretty cool. I've got Freeman Beauty Infusion Cleansing Sheet Mask. Thought I would give that a try. And I also got a Freeman Beauty Infusion Revitalizing Peel-Off Mask. Just because I wanted them. And then I got this Skin Nutrition's Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. I'm going to try to get rid of some of this under my eye stuff. Give me 2 of these lights. Some little candles. I got this baker's twine. It came in, it's sort of in fall colors, so I just grabbed a pack of it. And I have this larger pom-poms. And I decided to break down and get me some crafter's clay. I have always liked using clay, and I haven't used it in quite a while. So I'm going to try to come up with some projects that we can all do together with this clay. Okay, and just, this is for me to use, not for, well, it is for crafting. Got me 3 of these bins to try to put some of this stuff in because my craft closet looks like it is thrown up. My Dollar Tree finally got in the cotton puffs, and I was so excited. I bought all of them that they had, 3. I'm telling you, my Dollar Tree is very small. And then I also got these cute fall leaf decorations. See them, aren't they cute? And I thought these were really cute. They are glass with a pump. I got a black one. And a gray one. We're going to see what we can make with these. Then I also got these cute little trays. I think they're meant to be soap dishes, but I think I'm going to use them as little trinket trays. And we're just going to add a little fun to it. See, I got them in all different colors. Okay, people, I'm seeing spots. Okay, I went ahead and got another round wreath. But of course, why would I use it as a wreath when I have other ideas? I got another hurricane glass because I need 2 of them for one of the projects I'm wanting to do. So this was actually another item I went for. And I got these 2 white coffee mugs. I have some great ideas. And we're almost, wait, I have something else apparently. Okay. I got me, this is for me, some aromatherapy lavender roll-on. Sorry, the fax machine's ringing. And I don't know if y'all have tried these, but they are great. They're Imperial Nut Sunshine Blend. They have banana chips, cranberries, almonds, cashews, and blueberries in these. I also got just the crisp banana chips. I got this for my husband, so maybe he won't be quite as mad at me for going shopping again. I got him the Russell Stover caramels. Can you believe I got Russell Stovers for $1? I can't. And then this is my favorite. I got me some mint patties. And it looks like that was my haul for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.